When the world decides to be on the edge, we say not.
Hello, hello, hello. Again, it's 11:15 here. Chaudhary, what's London time right now?
6:45 just finished work, bro. And
काम काजी लड़का कहाँ थक गए हारे आके फिर अब पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड करने में लगे हुए हो.
someone would say, बड़ा काम करवाते हो यार, बड़ी मेहनत करवाते हो.
तू बियर है भाई, तू बियर है.
Exactly, you got me.
It's nice to see Rohan awake at 11:15, 11:17 p.m. right now.
Morning, morning.
And I
Morning, bro.
think that's where our sunshine is going to sort of take a bit of pause because we want to take this moment to remember a cricketing legend, Graham Thorpe, on his death. It's a harsh reminder for a lot of us sports fans that we need to be much more kinder to our favorite athletes and much more kinder than that to our not so favorite athletes, because honestly sitting on our bums, sitting in the couch, it's easier to comment and throw tippani around saying कि कौन अच्छा खेल रहा है, क्यों बर्बाद कर रहा है, आज ही तो खेलना जरूरी था, and all of those gyan that goes along with, because we genuinely don't know what that athlete is going through on a day to day basis. It's easier for us to forget कि यार वो रोबोकॉप नहीं है, एक्चुअली रोबोकॉप या टर्मिनेटर भी नहीं है, वो इन एक्चुअल एंड ऑफ द डे इंसान ही है. इट्स जस्ट अ हार्श रिमाइंडर फॉर अस स्पोर्ट्स फैन फॉर श्योर.
Yeah, I just want to say, and I know this is not a mental health podcast, but I just want to say that हम कई बार ना अपनी aspirations इन athletes पर project करते हैं, right? And therefore, when they don't do well, we take out all our frustrations on them, we troll them, right? I think the starting point is ki uh, whatever listeners we have, how many listeners we have, right? Those who are listening to us, let's start being sort of kinder to ourselves, not being harsh on our own selves, and therefore, when we project ourselves onto these athletes, let's be kinder to them as well. Because जब तक हम खुद से प्यार नहीं करेंगे ना, हम बाकी से भी नहीं कर पाएंगे.
But speaking of Thorpe, I think great left-hander, great test match player. I think मजा आता था जब भी देखा है. And I don't know, something about left-handers and test
The
matches mostly.
classiness of a southpaw.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
Graham Thorpe, yeah.
Keep in mind, it's sad news that we are talking about. Chaudhary is genuinely hiding away his happiness that we have had more than 100 views on our YouTube video last time around. So, if it was to him, he would have
185.
raised his bat by now. So, guys, what we're gonna do today, honestly, is with Olympics ending yesterday, we want to pick up certain stories from Olympics, the good and the bad and the harsh of Olympics, and sort of not look at it with harsh lens. Look at their achievement. Look at with the lens of them arriving at the Olympic stage. Look at them with the lens of being one of the finest athlete in this world, is what we want to do. So what we I'm going to do is I'm going to keep on picking up some of these stories, and Chaudhary and Rohan will sort of give their thoughts as and when they feel that the world needs to know what they have to say. The first story that we are going to talk about is this female boxer goes by the name of Iman Khalif. She has been in the middle of the gender debate. Honestly, for me, it wasn't about the male or female conversation. It was more about how, as a society, we tend to judge people by their looks. We tend to judge people what their skin color is. We tend to judge people on how they sort of have evolved physically. We tend to judge people on the first word that comes out of their mouth. I don't know where your thoughts would lie, both of you, but I think she has given a tight, I'm going to use a boxing term. She literally gave an uppercut to all the aunties that exist in our society who have since forever used slangs like "अरे ये लड़की कितनी मर्दानी है," where she has ended up winning gold medal. She has ended up suing all the publications who sort of talked about her gender while the Olympics were on. I hope she earns millions and millions of dollars out of it.
मेरा immediate thought ये है कि the moment you said ना कि we tend to judge people by the first words that come out of their mouth, by that measure I think half of the Indian cricket team would be British by now. But yeah, go ahead.
But
Yeah,
yeah,
over to you, man.
But I think good on her to finally win, man. There was so much said. I think my thoughts ended when I think the Olympic Committee and the IBA finally had mentioned she's a woman, and it just feels a little weird. We're discussing such a basic thing as a podcast or a topic, but that came up. But when I think once the sporting authority has clarified, I think the viewers and the fans would need to move beyond that. That should be kept as the base rule. Great on her to have a good tournament and finally win it.
यार
Yeah, man.
इस थॉट पे ना एक चीज मेरे को अश्विन का याद आता है, एंड he keeps on repeating it on a very regular interval. We humans now, when the rules go against us, we don't like it. But when the same rules is in favor of us, we love it. We like ये rule बना ही था मेरे लिए type. So I think there have been multiple instances across Olympics where it was basics, guys. It was just a matter of their certain set of rules and regulation
हमारे साथ बहुत हुआ है ये
that needs to be
Olympics.
followed. And you have to follow it. You have signed up for it to be there, kind of a thing. Talking about rules and regulation that needs to be followed, I will come to a favorite and a not so favorite topic of Mr. Varun Chaudhary. That's the aftermath of Vinesh's disqualification, where if it comes to Chaudhary, he would honestly expect a full-fledged podcast just on that, because I can tell the audience we tend to sort of talk a lot on WhatsApp, but bro, that night, the amount of chat that has been exchanged over this specific topic, I think it's amazing. Chaudhary, so we'll start with your thought on that.
Yeah, I appreciate the amount of hard work that the athlete in question has put in. There are no two ways about it, right? Um, and that's not only for the athlete herself. वो देश के लिए है तो उसके लिए तो मतलब हजार सलाम भी कम है, सीधी सी बात ये है। बट बात ये है कि यार आप ना ये सब कॉन्टेस्ट तब लड़ो जब आप मैदान में नहीं उतरे हो। जब आप उतर चुके हो तो मेरे हिसाब से फिर तो एज वी सेड प्ले बाय द रूल ऑफ द गेम, जो रूल है वो रूल है। क्योंकि पॉइंट ये है कि आज तो ये हमारे साथ हुआ है, कल को ये किसी और देश के खिलाड़ी के साथ होता और उस चक्कर में हमारा सिल्वर मेडल जा रहा होता तो हम बोलते हैं यार ये गलत है, एज रोहन वाज सेइंग, राइट? तो या तो आप बोलो कि मैं लड़ूंगा या लड़ूंगी नहीं, या अगर आप लड़ रहे हो उसके बाद अगर नहीं हुआ है अनफॉर्चुनेटली देन या
Yeah, I
then it
think
is
also
it is what it is.
the wrestling chief put it really well. I think एक या दो दिन बाद he commented when I think we had put in an official complaint. Harish Salve was part of it, and it became what it is now. But the wrestling chief very nicely put it कि यार मेरे को बुरा लग रहा है. I think it's bad on her, but rules are rules. We have to follow it for everyone. So and be it might be a wrong rule, it might be a right rule, whatever said and done, but इस Olympics के लिए यही rule था यार, जो भी follow करना है. So it is it's fine. मतलब somehow we've discussed it, but tend to disagree with a few of our key athletes who've maybe taken a parallel route slash course, but ठीक है, I think it's not it's sad, but it's not unfair. I think we're in the direction we're going in, but let's see how the result of the case. I think they said
आज
it'll
कल
take 2 days 3 days, so let's see.
Has it entered the Tariq pe Tariq mode? Does that happen
सही
outside
यार
the
वो हुआ
country
था
also?
वो फील आई थी पहले तो घंटे पे
2.5
घंटा
किलो
हुआ था
2.5 किलो का हाथ 100 ग्राम का बाल, सॉरी बट एडिट कर दो यार। बट हाँ, आई थिंक मैं बस यही बोलना चाहूंगा इस सब में कि ये इसमें इमोशनल होना सबका काफी लाजमी है, बट अब यार और इसमें बहुत सारे लेयर्स भी हैं. उसको उसका कैटेगरी में compete करना चाहिए था, नहीं करना चाहिए था, वो क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, एक रात पहले इतनी मेहनत करने की जरूरत थी, better planning or not, all of that, right? But as we stand right now, जो किताब में वो किताब में है.
I have two thoughts that I want to end this specific topic with. I genuinely believe Vinesh Fogart has again proved that हमारी छोड़ी किसी किसी छोड़े से कम नहीं है. The way she fought in the quarterfinal, the way she fought in the semi-final, I think hats off,
Absolutely.
hats off.
Absolutely.
But I don't know. Maybe I'm being too much of a pessimist. The amount of noise and the amount of chaos and the amount of ruckus that has happened around the after the disqualification, she did ended up putting up her retirement note. I don't know if it was directly contributing towards it or not, but I tend to believe everything has certain contribution somewhere or the other. I genuinely hope she does make a comeback because she has not only fought on the mat, she has fought a lot in the past one odd
Yeah.
year. So I genuinely hope she makes a comeback.
She's a fighter, and I think this retirement decision is more of a knee-jerk reaction, emotional reaction. I think.
ये
यार
Hopefully.
बट इफ
दिल
आई एम
है
नॉट
कि
रॉन्ग
मानता
उसने
नहीं.
पिछले साल बोला था कि ये मेरी लास्ट ओलंपिक्स होंगी. सो
Quite possible, and
Yeah,
which conveniently, Rohan, as we tend to operate in our country, we will forget.
या दिस इज
हम बोलेंगे इसके वजह से रिटायरमेंट ले लिया है हमने,
yeah.
बट
Afridi gives me hope there. Hope there, but let's see.
oh god. Moving on to some, I don't know, I will call this a happy news. Neeraj Chopra ended up winning a silver. I will call it a happy news because as much as it pains right now, but यार भाई ने आदत लगा दी है, भाई ने एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट कर दिया है कि हमें गोल्ड चाहिए. ही इज नॉट अ गोल्डन बॉय फॉर द कंट्री, ही इज द गोल्डन बॉय फॉर वर्ल्ड एथलेटिक्स.
गाइस ने स्पीच में सॉरी बोला.
like to like अंदर से ना एक तरह से खुश, like obviously there's sadness, गोल्ड नहीं है, but at the same time as a sports fan it's like when you sort of entering that Olympics thinking कि नीरज का तो गोल्ड आएगा ही आएगा टाइप, यहाँ से तो निकलेगा निकलेगा. That's a massive achievement for that man.
यार एंड I'll tell you a story. मैं एक्चुअली अपने घर के नीचे खड़ा था एंड आई थिंक दिस वाज द नेक्स्ट डे आफ्टर नीरज's इवेंट. दो बच्चे बात कर रहे थे. दे मस्ट बी इन क्लास 5 क्लास 6 अपने साइकिल्स लेके एंड समहाउ आई वाज वॉकिंग तारा और वो लोग खड़े थे और हम भी वहीं खड़े थे एंड उनकी बात चल रही थी एंड समहाउ आई डोंट नो, आई होप इट इज लिमिटेड नॉलेज इन्फॉर्मेशन. ये लोग they were kind of discarding the event कि यार कुछ खास किया नहीं नीरज ने, सिल्वर ही आया है, आई थिंक अच्छा कर सकता था, उसने थ्रो एक ही मारा है. सो आई सेड चलो एटलीस्ट बच्चों में भी होप्स तो है कि गोल्ड ही आना चाहिए था.
At least they're talking, man. That's more
Yeah.
than enough, man. It's so cool. It's like I think नीरज ने बहुत सारे सपने देखने सिखा दिया है भाई. And I genuinely have. I think LA Olympics I'll again be entering thinking एक गोल्ड तो और आ सकता है.
I think he's entering our cricket team zone. 2-3 सेमीफाइनल्स हारे एंड फाइनल्स हर फाइनल में पहुंचते हैं.
यार 2-3 पॉइंट है मेरे पास यहाँ पे. पहला पॉइंट ये है कि आई थिंक मैंने फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लिया था कि भाई इसको तो गोल्ड मिलने ही वाला है. सो बिग रिमाइंडर एंड बिग किक ऑन द बैक साइड सेइंग लुक, लाइफ में कुछ भी फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. इफ योर ओपोनेंट डज वेल ऑन अ गिवन डे, स्टैंड अप एंड क्लैप बिकॉज दे आर गुड इनफ, राइट? एंड इन दिस केस द ओपोनेंट वाज गुड इनफ. Secondly, I think knowing Neeraj, he and listening to a few of his interviews, I think he will take this in the right stride. उसको पता है वो 90 आज तक क्रॉस नहीं कर पाया है एंड उसको पता है कि वो 90 क्रॉस करेगा एंड ही विल डू एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग टू क्रॉस 90, राइट? एंड मे बी बियॉन्ड. And thirdly, Srijan, I'm just reminding you of what you said in the last podcast, right? Never think of tomorrow as being granted for. तो तू बोल रहा है अगले बार मेडल आएगा, अभी पता नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा, but I think it's time that we clap to this guy and say, look, you've already achieved greatness and hope you continue to be great.
बिल्कुल. LA का टिकट अगर कट गया और पहुंच गया, उसी एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ घुसेंगे जहां गोल्ड लेके आना है. बेस्ट वाज भाई जो सेकंड थ्रो पे जो उसने 89 पहुंचाया है. He's done a कामा वाला thing which Ronaldo used to do कि यार I know it's my place. I will do it. I will make it happen. The confidence is there. But the man is in all sense our golden athlete, and I think
He's brilliant.
we should add, like, in my head he will be like a sporting icon that I would want to talk about for years and years to come up altogether. But talking about gold, there's another man who ended up winning the gold in that competition, Arshad Nadeem. What a throw, man! मतलब
effortless.
अगर कोई होता है ना तरीका कि मैं आज वॉक करने जा रहा हूँ, आज मैं भाला फेंकूंगा, मैं भाला फेंक के 90 टाप जाऊंगा, पर तुम्हें लगेगा कि मैंने गलती से टापा है, इसलिए मैं दोबारा फिर से 90 टापूंगा और तुम्हें बताऊंगा कि मैं कर सकता था, एक बार किया, गलती से नहीं किया मैंने. But it's nice. I was reading somewhere, it is after 40 years that Pakistan has won a gold medal. It is after 32 years that Pakistan has won any medal altogether. So massive achievement for him
यार
and the country.
Pakistan has done a mic drop on or rather a javelin drop on India जैसे saying तुम जीत लो 5-6 मेडल, अपन एक जीतेंगे, तुम हमारे से ऊपर एंड अप करेंगे.
चौधरी 10 में से 15 आर्टिकल इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं.
And
Yeah, but
of
no.
the mothers,
ऑफ द मदर्स
both mothers.
भारत पाकिस्तान.
कि वो
हमारा
मेरा ही
बेटा
बेटा है.
और अगर मैं 90s किड होता तो मैं बोलता कि काश भारत पाकिस्तान एक होते तो गोल्ड भी हमारा होता और सिल्वर भी हमारा होता.
Yeah.
लाइक अ क्लासिक क्रिकेटिंग.
इसके अलावा हमारी मेडल टैली में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
+1.
But good on Pakistan. I was reading somewhere the man has been awarded 4.5 odd crores already as prize money. He's been supposedly been given a golden crown also. I think golden javelin would have been much better, but ठीक है. And they also are planning to award him with the highest honor, that Pakistan can give. But
बनता है.
good on Arshad Nadeem. In all honesty, next one is a bit of a scary piece for me, honestly, because I think I went through into a rabbit hole when I was trying to research on this topic. I'm genuinely happy for this country for whatever they have done. That's Ukraine. They ended up finishing with 3 gold medals, along with 5 silvers and 4 bronze. Those 3 gold medals is more than the gold medals that US and China would have won combined in this Olympics. That country is literally burning, and it's burning every passing day. And with that happening at your home, you ending up doing what you have done, finishing up 22nd in the country. It is amazing. I want to add something more for you guys to know, which is very interesting. Tokyo Olympics, Ukraine won 1 gold, 6 silver, and 12 bronze, finishing 44th across the globe.
Wow.
They have finished 22nd this time with 3 gold medals. But the scary part of this achievement is because kind of loss of life, the kind of loss of infrastructure in Ukraine, people are predicting that's a loss of decade and a half for Ukraine to come back to where they were pre-war altogether. But hats off, man! With everything happening, you ended up winning 3 goals and finishing 22nd as compared to 44th last time around. I think massive success story for this Olympics.
Yeah.
Everything else sort of feels very small in this comparison.
Yeah. I think 2-3 good stories I saw, read about. One was, I think, about a member of parliament who won a bronze in wrestling. He was Ukraine's MP. And I think there was one person from their military who was participating in the boxing competition. So
You
somehow,
manage with what you have.
somehow I think it's true with a lot of people, and maybe it's a lot of societies. When tough times come, people come out tougher and stronger, and the obviously थोड़ा सा जज्बा देश का तो ज्यादा होएगा ही, बट मे बी ओवरऑल it also helps man in uplifting the mood of the nation. I think हमारा काम बॉलीवुड
I
क्रिकेट
think
करते थे उस टाइम पे.
I think they very well deserve it. They very well need it. It's a sad state, but what they have done at Olympics is nothing less than a freaking miracle that exists. Moving on, we are officially back-to-back medalists in hockey, guys.
Yeah. Chak de, chak de, chak de.
It is Chuck Day Paris version. Last time it was Chuck Day Tokyo version. Hopefully, इस
यार
बार-
रूल इतने चेंज होते रहते हैं कि 70 मिनट बोल भी नहीं सकते अब तो मैं 60 मिनट में I think
ब्रेक्स के साथ 70 होते हैं पूरे.
या मतलब कि ब्रेक में भी बात कर लेंगे, पर है टोटल में 70 मिनट ही, तो संभाल लेना. वी कैन प्ले दैट सेम वीडियो ओवर अगेन. As much as the focus was on our great wall of Kerala, Mr. Srijesh, I genuinely feel what Harmanpreet did this Olympics, literally standing for things when it's said that leading from the front, minus the man I genuinely feel has an anger problem. Because every time I have seen him sort of interacting with the referee, मुझे लगा आज तो खत्म, आज तो स्टिक उठेगा. But I genuinely feel Harmanpreet has been impeccable as a captain when it came to this Olympics. But yeah, that's where it is.
मुझे एक समय पे मतलब मैंने अगेन बहुत रेगुलरली सारे मैच नहीं देखे हैं बट मुझे एक समय पे उम्मीद थी कि हम शायद गोल्ड जीतेंगे इस बार, स्पेशली आफ्टर द इंडिया ग्रेट ब्रिटेन मैच. आई थॉट कि क्या पता इस बार गोल्ड हमारा हो, बट नॉनदलेस मैन आई थिंक हरमनप्रीत सेड after the match, right? Saying after the bronze, saying hockey is back, and I really hope hockey is back. I have made a pledge to myself, saying कि मैं कोशिश करके क्रिकेट से ज़्यादा हॉकी देखूंगा, कोशिश करके, right? And it's time that we give the sport its due, man. काफी अच्छा किया, मजा आया देख के, इस बार एक्साइटिंग लगा है. So let's see. थोड़ा कम IPL, थोड़ा कम bilateral, और बहुत ज्यादा हॉकी. आई थिंक दैट इज द एम, एंड इट्स आवर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी एज वेल एज फैंस. व्हेन हम 4 साल में आके एक बार बात करते हैं, आई थिंक इट्स टाइम दैट वी फॉलो थ्रू, एटलीस्ट फॉलो थ्रू ऑन स्पोर्ट्स वेयर वी आर डूइंग वेल.
And अब तो कवरेज है भाई, हर स्पोर्ट्स का अक्रॉस द ग्लोब कवरेज है. लाइक आई एम genuinely really thankful for the smaller OTT players like Fancode and Sony Lives of the world, where they have started covering all possible sports that exist, because it's a realization that सबके लिए जगह है. It's just a matter of clicking the right app altogether.
यहाँ नहीं आता, पर VPN जिंदाबाद है. मैनेज.
यार हॉकी आई थिंक काफी सही स्पोर्ट है यार इन ब्रिंगिंग पीपल टुगेदर. आई थिंक आफ्टर cricket, and we've missed that for the last 15-20 years because we've not followed it as much as we used to, because पहले World Cups follow करते थे, even we used to follow Asia Cups etc, but over the last 10-12 years इतना नहीं किया. But even from Olympics to Olympics, it is one sport that brings people together in the country. I hope people in the authorities take note of it, because it is, even if not for achievement per se on कि इंडिया का मेडल आ रहा है बड़े उसमें, but just to bring people together and to drive voices together, I think it is it's a good sport
नहीं यार,
for the
मैं यही
काफी पैशन ड्राइव होता है.
मेरे दिमाग में, सॉरी इंटरव्यूइंग किया, बट मेरे दिमाग में यही थॉट आ रहा था कि इज देयर बीइंग अ फेलिसिटेशन ड्राइव बीइंग डन, कुछ हो रहा है, बसों में घुमा रहे हैं लड़कों को, नहीं घुमा रहे स्टेडियम में. यार होना चाहिए, आई थिंक इट्स नहीं बिकॉज सब हो जाएगा, बट पॉइंट इज कि यार लोगों के अंदर ये फीलिंग ड्राइव करने के लिए कहीं ना कहीं आपको फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो करना पड़ेगा यार, वरना नहीं होगा. वरना लोग बोलेंगे यार ठीक है मेडल जीत दिया, हो गया. यू somehow somewhere आई नो एंड आई कैन गो ऑन अबाउट कि ये हमारा परफॉर्मेंस कैसा है ओलंपिक्स में, बट जो भी हमारे 6 मेडल आए हैं यार, अगर हमें ये यूथ में ड्राइव करना है, वी हैव टू डू इट अ फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो मोमेंट ब्रो, एंड दैट इज वेयर किड्स विल स्टार्ट पिकिंग इट अप मोर एंड मोर। अदरवाइज 4 साल बाद तू और मैं और रोहन यही पॉडकास्ट कर रहे होंगे।
From LA.
From LA, hopefully. Yay! For the sake of continuity, I genuinely feel we should continue with our coach Craig Fulton. Fulton.
काफी सही है यार वो आदमी.
I genuinely feel कि यार भाई ने ना टीम जीबी के मैच के बाद जो गेम बदला है, it is
यार नई दीवार कहाँ से आएगी?
बनाएंगे ब्रो, फिर से शुरू करेंगे. अपने 1.3 बिलियन के पॉपुलेशन में कहीं ना कहीं तो दीवार खड़ी होगी.
दीवारें हम निकालते रहते हैं. और
क्रिकेट में आई थी एक और, बट वो थोड़ी सीमेंट थोड़ा वहां पे लूज था वो था.
बट हम जर्मनी मैच में काफी ऑन थे यार, जो प्रेस करके खेल रहे थे हम. दैट वाज गुड टू सी.
Germany game was feels.
Yeah.
Germany game felt like we should have been playing the gold medal game. Germany game felt like इस बार ब्रॉन्ज से मन नहीं भरेगा टाइप वाला सीन. बट having said that, we are more than happy for back-to-back medals in hockey.
I think Virendra Skina said this on air, if I'm not wrong, कि इस बार अगर मेडल आ गया हॉकी में, then we are back to being considered as the top 3-4 countries in the sport. So not for Olympics but overall.
And interestingly, when we entered, if I'm not wrong, Olympics, we were not the top 5 seeded countries
Not
in
this time.
hockey. We were not this time around. We would want to end with the final topic in how I see if Chaudhary ever picked up 50 meters pistol round and he decided to participate in Olympics representing in India. This is how he would look like in his shorts and t-shirt, maybe a sneaker bar in one of the pocket, and the other pocket maybe for घर की चाबी उसमें रखने के लिए, and he ends up winning a silver medal, because that's exactly how Yusuf was looking when he was representing Turkey
चौधरी
in Olympics.
शेव करानी पड़ेगी, 10-15 किलो कम करना पड़ेगा.
एग्जैक्टली बहुत दूर है.
But
50 की उम्र तक हो जाएगा.
but वो यही करना है मतलब. बट that confidence, जिंदगी में वो confidence चाहिए कि there is no
हाँ.
set pattern.
Yeah,
I know I'm
bro.
good. I know I can deliver. I don't need to sort of hear the noise around. I can blank it as and when I like it, and deliver when the grandest stage comes.
I'll go. Let Rohan go first, and I'll try and have the last one.
यार काफी सही फील थी. He's just become a social media sensation and I think Srijan's right. अगर कोई कर सकता है चौधरी तुम ही हो. Yeah, I think you have to get East Delhi, Gurgaon and London, all three together. उनमें से एक जना गोली चलाना सिखा देगा, एक तैयार होना सिखा देगा, और वो तुम्हारा ईस्ट दिल्ली वाइब ले आना तुम.
Chaudhary representing Team Great India from Great Britain.
I have a goal now in life, man. लक्ष्य आ गया मेरे जीवन में finally.
लक्ष्य ही था ब्रो, बिना कुछ लगाए उसको सिर्फ लक्ष्य ही दिख रहा था. And interestingly, how he went from being a viral content to some of the athletes that participated in Olympics after him, they started using his shooting stand as a way of celebration, man. It's like the full circle gets completed in one Olympics itself.
बट तूने यार बहुत सही चीज बोली. आई नो ये पॉडकास्ट मेंटल हेल्थ से स्टार्ट हुआ था और ये फिर से मैं उसी डायरेक्शन में जा रहा हूँ. बट सही बात है यार, देयर इज नो टेम्पलेट टू सक्सेस. मतलब आपका जो तरीका है वो तरीका है. द पॉइंट इज, कैन यू sufficiently trust your own methods to win, right?
True.
We can speak about imposter syndrome, फलाना टिमकाना. Also point is कि कई लोग बोल रहे हैं कि बड़े लोग हैं जो इक्विपमेंट यूज करते हैं, ये सिंप्लिसिटी में है. वो सब नहीं है भाई. आपको जो ठीक लगता है आप करो, आप ट्रस्ट करो, आप जीतोगे यार, बिकॉज आप जीतने के लिए बने हो.
बाकी सब तो बहाने हैं भाई, बाकी सब सिर्फ बहाने हैं. एंड नाउ टाइम फॉर द फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट. is my question to both of you, which you guys are not aware of as usual.
Again.
Okay. Again.
Is if there is one sports that you feel should be part of the next Olympics or Olympics of future, which one would that sport be? Chaudhary, you can't pick up my answer, man. But fine, okay.
Bro,
I think
What a
kabaddi,
goal for India.
kabaddi. I think kabaddi होना चाहिए यार.
भाई मैं बता रहा हूँ
Yeah.
कबड्डी
सर कबड्डी कभी नहीं रहा क्या?
पाकिस्तान अच्छा तो नहीं हमारे से उसमें भी.
हो सकता है ब्रो.
नहीं है हम लोग बचपन से वर्ल्ड चैंपियन है कबड्डी खो खो गुल्ली डंडा
ब्रो अगर मेरे को रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो आलू पराठे पेलना शुड बी
नहीं yours is set, yours is going to be shooting. We are not allowing you. We will be the prototypical stereotypical parents that exist कि बेटा तुम बड़े होके शूटर ही बनोगे.
ओके यार आई विल कल से ही शुरू करता हूँ मैं. कल से शुरुआत.
तुम्हारे अंदर है ब्रो. तुम्हारी रूट्स में है शूटिंग.
अरे यार गुड़गांव. नाम भी थोड़ा वैसा ही है बट ठीक है. लेट्स गो.
But which is so Rohan says kabaddi. Chaudhary.
यार मेरे पास आंसर नहीं है इसका. मैंने सोचा एक बार अगर इंडिया को गोल्ड सिक्योर करवाना है.
That's the only filter, guys. It's an unsaid filter. That's the only unsaid filter.
यार चेस में भी रह जाएगा ना हमारा गोल्ड. रशिया ले जाएगी. या
पूरा इफी हो सकता है.
बट ठीक है एक आध मेडल तो आ सकता है.
हाँ, मेडल कंफर्म हो सकता है बट गोल्ड.
यार मेरे को देखो क्रिकेट बोलने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं.
क्रिकेट तो आ ही रहा है. एलए में है.
क्रिकेट आ रहा है ब्रो, इसलिए वो ऑप्शन में नहीं है.
या
क्रिकेट आ रहा है.
क्रिकेट इज देयर. एलए 28.
Olympics has cricket. उस समय तक देखो होते थे 5 ओवर साइड ही खिलवाते हैं.
ब्रो वो भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया जीतेगी ब्रो. फर्क नहीं पड़ता. उनका गोल्ड ऐड हो रहा है और हमारा नहीं हो रहा उसमें.
ब्रो ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड जान देखते हो कोई ठीक नहीं है. चाइना वालों ने शुरू कर दिया होगा क्रिकेट के लिए ट्रेनिंग करवाना अगले 4 साल में.
कंचे खेलते हैं ब्रो. आई डोंट हैव एन आंसर.
You don't have an answer, but the option that you were choosing was nice, man. It can be. But
हम क्रिकेट करेंगे बस.
बट मेरे को वही है गोल्ड का थोड़ा ठंडा हो सकता है. नहीं सारे अपने जो शूटर वाली जो सारे और आर्चरी वाली सारे कंट्री जो हमें हराती है वो उसमें भी हो सकता है हरा दे.
ब्रो कंचे किसी को खेलना आता ही नहीं होगा ब्रो.
So we got kabaddi, we got
Kanche.
I'm gonna go with Tapu.
या
स्पोर्ट्स पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट कर दिया हमने और कंचे और चैपू की बातें चल रही हैं यहाँ पे.
Or better, can we do Pittu in some? Is that a
Oh yeah,
possibility?
we should do Pittu.
वो पिट्ठू में ना ऑस्ट्रेलिया पेल देगी हमें. पॉन्टिंग होगा कोच पिट्ठू का.
We will send Jaddu यार. थ्रो फेंकेगा मस्त.
घबराने की कोई बात नहीं, जड्डू है हमारे पास. Okay, on that note, guys, be kind, be nice. Over and out for this episode. We'll see you next.